Intel buying McAfee for nearly $7.7 billion. It's a 60% premium to McAfee's closing price in yesterday's session. Now, a conference call with analysts has been underway for about an hour or so. It has wrapped up, and joining us now by phone is Patrick Wang. He's an analyst at Wedbush Securities. He joins us now with some analysis. What did you hear, Patrick? I mean, did you get your main questions answered, particularly as regards to the 60% premium?
Yeah, well, you know, if you take a look at the actual premium there, the 60%, when you look at McAfee, it's trading near a 52-week low, so optically it looks like a very big premium. But when you actually get down to the numbers here in terms of, you know, EV to sales and such, it doesn't actually look that bad, right? But just remember, the 60% optically looks bad because McAfee was trading, you know, at near a 52-week low, at least yesterday.
Well, it still would be its largest acquisition, right? I mean, what about this move strategically into the security space? Put that in perspective for me.
Sure. So, you know, when you take a look at what Intel is doing here, they're taking their technology, so they've actually done some pretty good work in terms of hardware acceleration for security. Now, if you think about going forward from handsets, notebooks, all the way to servers in the cloud, security is becoming a lot more important. What Intel is looking to do here strategically is actually take that technology, bring it into their platform, and have a little bit more technology synergy between the two. Now, the question here, though, that investors are asking are actually how are the businesses going to actually benefit by combining here, right? So how do you take a chip and then sell some software with it? I think that's the major question. It really wasn't answered on the conference call. You know, they talked about the longer term benefits here, but in the near term, you know, I think, you know, what all of us are going to be doing, we're going to do some homework here. We're going to try to get a sense of how Intel is actually going to see some benefits here and how they're going to monetize this thing,
and how they're going to handle the integration costs as well. Absolutely,
but you know, Intel, big company here. You know, they've done a great job on execution over the years here. So you know, I think management is competent enough to do it. The question is really going to be how do they actually pull things together and you know, drive some upside here.
How do they add security to chip-making arsenal, make it all work? Thank you, Patrick, for joining us with your analysis from that call that has just wrapped up.